Whenever I order some food to be delivered, the fastest way I check on the order is by asking Google Assistant. Where is my Uber Eats order? Or when I'm having trouble with tech, Google Assistant can lead the way to customer support. Give me customer support for Samsung. Want to compare the specs between two smartphones you're looking to buy? Well, Google Pixel 7 Pro versus iPhone 14 Pro.
Here are some details.
It even highlights all the differences. By the way, sorry if I accidentally trigger any of your Google Assistants. I'll try my best to keep those hot words to a low minimum. Also, drop a thumbs up if you think Google Assistant is better than Siri. And for all my supporters out there, I want you to know that I just started my very own Shorts channel called How To Shorts. I'll be uploading videos there every day, so make sure to get subscribed over there to get even more quality videos just like this every day. Anyways, let's move on. If you want to make yourself aware of how long you've been using your phone, try this. How long have I been using my phone for? 3 hours. How long have I been using TikTok? Around 20 minutes, 26. Not bad. You can also do multiple commands at once if you own a Pixel device. What's the weather? And also, turn on the ceiling light. And also, turn on the Christmas tree. Also, if you're wondering how I was able to turn on the Christmas tree with just my voice, and I can also do the same thing by turning it off as well, I purchased a cheap smart plug which connects to the Google Home app, and within the app I gave it the name Christmas tree, so I can just tell Google to turn the lights on or off. I'll be sure to tag some cheap smart plugs on the side of this video thanks to the YouTube product tag feature sponsored by YouTube themselves. Google Assistant also allows you to create shortcuts from your apps so that you can jump to certain screens much faster. Here are a few examples. Subscriptions. Tweet.
Here's Twitter.
Send money. If you'd like to find this, just say shortcuts to Google Assistant and it will bring it up. You can even get more advanced by creating custom phrases to do selected actions. Good morning.
Good morning, Facundo. The time is 9:29 a.m. It's 46 and clear. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 47 and a low of 39 and partly cloudy. Your commute to work is currently 13 minutes with light traffic if you take Chino Hills Parkway by car. Have a great day.
Google calls it routines, and when you tell Google Assistant to bring up that page, you'll enter a whole new world of commands. Like I made one called Leave on Time, which basically helps me to not be late for any upcoming event. It'll remind me every few minutes how much time I have left with a delightful chime. If you're in a different country or trying to communicate with someone in a different language, try this. Be my Spanish interpreter.
Got it. Let's start.
Hola, ¿cómo te va?
Hello, how are you doing?
I am doing good. How are you?
Lo estoy haciendo bien. ¿Cómo estás?
Hoy, ¿qué vas a hacer?
What are you going to do today?
Well, I'm just going to be playing some soccer and recording a video.
Bueno, solo voy a jugar fútbol y grabar un video.
Can't seem to find your phone? Well, just ask Google. Hey Google, ring my Pixel 7 Pro.
Got it. Your Google Pixel 7 Pro should be ringing out.
Oh, okay. Love the song, but you're not sure what it's called or how you can get it? Well, just ask Google again. When did this song come out?
Which song?
1,000 Miles.
The release date of 1,000 Miles was April 30th, 2002.
Google can also help you improve your driving experience. Hey Google, how's the traffic to LA?
Moderate traffic on the way to Los Angeles, so it should take 53 minutes.
Not bad. Hey Google, read me my messages.
Got a new text from Katria.
Hey, what you up to?
Save this parking location. Remember that I parked next to a mailbox. Now before moving on, I want to thank Malloc for sponsoring this video. Androids and iPhones do a great job of keeping your phone secured, but an app called Malloc, previously known as Anti-Stalker, lets you take your privacy and your phone security to the next level. This app lets you know if you have spyware, detects if your device is rooted or jailbroken, and protects your online privacy using a VPN data shield. Activating the shield will block ads, spyware, data trackers, crypto miners, and a lot more inside your apps and any websites you visit. Then you can check the history reports to see where your phone sends your data and which domains get blocked. And for those wondering, these connection reports are only stored on your device. The Android version has some more extended security features. Out the gate, it can do some fantastic security checks, like scan all of your apps to see if there are any spyware or apps that share your data using data trackers. Check which apps have access to the microphone, camera, and internet, or are given nearby device permission. Malloc also informs you which apps use your camera or microphone. And you also get some other useful security features like the option to immediately mute the microphone to stop any apps from using it. There's also an anti-theft alarm feature that sounds an alarm anytime someone tries to remove your phone from the charger. Perfect for public places like airport charging stations. So as you can tell, Malloc is an extremely powerful security app that protects your privacy and secures your phone against any malicious attacks. So make sure to download it immediately through the top link in the description for your iPhone or Android. Anyways, back to the commands. If you had a little bit too much to drink, then Google can help you out. Hey Google, order me an Uber to my house. If you want to be reminded of some beautiful past memories, then just say, show me pictures of my Argentinian trip.
Showing results on Google Photos.
Since it's almost Christmas, let's do a bit of Christmas shopping as well. Create a gift list.
Okay, I made a list called Gift.
Add a skateboard for David to the gift list.
Got it. A skateboard for David on your list called Gift.
Open Amazon. Look up skateboards. Track my Amazon package. Want to know what time it is in a different country? Well, what time is it in New York? Find me a flight there. You can also convert just about anything. How much is $5 in euros?
$5 equals €4.69.
7 miles to kilometers.
7 miles is 11.265 kilometers.
How many ounces is in a cup?
1 US cup is 8 US fluid ounces.
Google can help you remember things as well. Remember that I put my cash under my mattress. Where did I put my cash? And it can remind you to do things in the long run. Remind me to replace the Brita filter in 2 months.
Got it. I'll remind you on February 14th, 2023 at 10 p.m.
How do you spell abracadabra?
Abracadabra is spelled A-B-R-A-C-A-D-A-B-R-A.
How many calories are in a burger?
There are 354 calories in one double hamburger.
How much sugar is in Sprite?
There are 44 g of sugar in 121 fluid ounce cup of Sprite.
Show me emails from David Holzmeister. If you want to take a picture from far away but there's no one to help you, just ask Google. Hey Google, take a selfie. Google Assistant can even do things when you have no internet access. For those who own a Pixel, turn off NFC. Turn off Bluetooth. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Open Subway Surfers. These next few are for when you're doing entertaining things, like when you're listening to a new song off Spotify and you end up enjoying it. Like this song. Or if you're wanting to go to the movie theater, what movies are playing? Or if you want to just relax and listen to an audiobook instead, read How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
Alright, reading How the Grinch Stole Christmas on Google Play Books.
Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
For those who have a Google Nest Hub, you can literally tell Google to leave a note for your loved ones. Leave a note saying, "I went to get milk, be back at 3 p.m.
Got it. Your note has been created.
And if you own multiple assistant speakers, you can broadcast messages. Broadcast, dinner is ready.
It's dinner time. Enjoy.
Finally, Google Assistant can also be very fun and playful. You can use it when you're in an indecisive group. Roll the dice.
You rolled 5.
Roll a 20-sided dice.
You got 5.
Roll 23 dices.
Your rolls add up to 83.
Flip a coin.
It's heads.
Pick a number between 1 through 10.
8.
Maybe have Google sing you a song. Sing me a song.
Sure, I'd love to sing a song for you. Now we come to the end of the day.
Rap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pump up the energy. Be alive. Assumed all I could do was yap. Never knew that I could even rap.
Drop a beat.
I've been waiting for you to ask.
Or even make random sounds like animal noises. What does the fox say?
This is an Arctic fox.
If you're wanting to make your dad laugh, you can have it tell a dad joke. Tell me a dad joke.
Did you hear about the world's largest pickle? It's a really big dill.
Or for your little ones, have Santa Claus answer the phone. Call Santa Claus.
Hello there, North Pole Switchboard. My name is Gumdrop, connecting you to Santa in the recording studio. Just a sec. Santa telephone.
A phone call? Well, hello. You caught me taking a little break from my nice list work to get ready for the big Elf Stock show.
Or even find a ton of other voice-oriented games. Let's play a game.
Alright, which one would you like to try?
Jeopardy.
Okay, getting Jeopardy.
Last but not least, if you're unsure which is the best voice assistant out there, just let Google answer that for you. You're the best.
That's so funny. I was just thinking the same thing about you.
Are you the best?
That's nice to hear. I hope you know the feeling's mutual.
Who's the best voice assistant out there?
Here is information from ZDNet.
Anyways, those are 50 Google Assistant commands that you need to try to take your phone or other devices to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a thumbs up to show your support. If you learned some new useful commands, be sure to get subscribed with the notification bell turned on because quality videos like this get released every week. Either way, thanks for sticking to the end, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Kapow!